for high gypsy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot enkwa eramede bremo na ansana ensebni nyina bebano. So when you subscribe ya bomoria se over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yenhwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yenti
ne atiano no enra ensemo sisi o parliament. But Mami Kansambako me bompa yese Nyankopon beto mano nareka. Alaska picture in Faweto. Second deputy speaker no. If I say Andrew Asiama. So now from an MP no. He is becoming a weak leader. Whenever or presiding of parliament. Because Marshani proceedings consistently. Anytime the second deputy speaker of parliament ever presiding over the parliament, you know, then the micro minority begin to misbehave. And anytime whatever presiding Ubenya the NDC MP or Kasatia either the party and then the former appointee no or intervene. Me share nipa. Men kan nipa ho asem sa me share nipa. Kwabena Markin 6-7 months ago na oya majority group leader eno kra no na aye 137 plus 1 ono formula MP na nyono. At that time was it ya changing the status spiritually one of the NDC co-elections and MPP co-elections and NDC kita 184 minus the your friend is saying independent candidates, But Kwabena is becoming nuisance in parliament. Because I said, Maminki Kamunya Dede. And this Vormutie, this guy, Opeso so CDB can send you and this Simunankrofo Abufu. When Okachira me say, Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa, a deputy minister for health, designate Afenyo appointments committee in him to be vetted. Say Oba da ben, wabeto Zaneto, wabeto Entoso, wabeto Hwanya. You are not making sense. Kwabena. Under this government, I can give you number of ministers and deputy ministers from your first timers. And you don't have any idea as to consultation that come in appointing Sankrofona Abano. Men limited it to Dr. Grace. Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwana also a small girl. Or first time a friend wabano. Ne academic credentials. Ebini MPP. A 50 UP time besine ebini MPP. Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa. What did he see the to her a home? Ever since he at UP. Emma UP done in one by MPP no. Mami Deputy Minister for Health. Deputy Minister designate. What did he see me to her? Since you time I do one nominate one me say MPP ni be and whole kita mam receive ni be including who Afenyo Markin. And get the and ye di adwuma. What you former MP for Wajagbawe Tina Meza, one deputy minister for health. former deputy minister, Wejagbawe, Tina Mensah became deputy minister for health. That time, no Kwabena now, however. Hey, Kojo Kyeremanteng mama too. Kojo Kyeremanteng came to meet you in parliament. Kojo started as deputy or a substantive minister. What does it you? Abujina Pony as a Boakye age mate. They all came to meet you in parliament. And they became substantive ministers under Akufo Addo. Not as such a parliament. Those first timers, everybody chief of staff, Beboa, not as such a parliament. Post Cassia will do one so called board chair. Emma ECG, Ebe Pimne, under your watch. And a ECG budget, or cash over 935 million, or spending 8.3 billion. Obana Seke Chutum. O Kwabena Agyapong by now no Asante Yoko. Sana way mofa red number mame. By now no Rebonacha. One abu Remonacha. Mofa number by now. Kwabena Agyapong ese ya chene tu Yoko. It is a Oko parliament. What the number? Na unni bibia kan. Keep quiet. Because and then numbers are mukito of parliament, you know. Errand boys, a Jumani Ade. Photocopy. Torkonuu Wako Toba. Wanyin Katia, Nwama, Ayiwaja Boempi, no. First saying Jari, Jikoko, anyway, say Bra Masa. Yeah, Koko Totofi Bra. The current numbers are of parliament, you know. Errand boys are Jumani Semode. 81 Obibakas oh say Oko parliamentar why a leader Ineza minority leader etianosi opposition ni bia NDC leadership no you find saying finance minister Ato Forson no minority leader esa majority leader asane man appointment etodi enko no waya appointment unya bie edi enko no waya edi enko no Kwabena Agyapong wo de bia so me board bia bekoso bia so enye yie wo de ka ene so edi enko no Kwabena Agyapong ho a want to be new minister okroma wo se efie nyansa nyina wo trim wo na ba ya che unya deputy minister kurada wani isidia no akwaje Ghana water Akufo the first time oji Ghana water the second time oji ECG it was try to sow some CDB among the female MPs in our NDC we Kwabena. The current fisheries minister on your first timer, and I've given you instances in your own party appointment Akufo Addo young boys are Afenyo 40-39 Vincent Asevoa Asevoa Akwai Wamedi deputy minister Kwabena Agyapong to and so Agyapong betimi Vincent Asevoa and also obey ne mame maka chire Agyapong ne mame ma no Ufa event say Asevoa obey last one. As this guy be a deputy minister. Etu do sorry you are just backing in parliament. Come and Kwabena can be more central for ye the adwumatini aso akotwaba. Yes you be twa de bia. You be twa de bia. Eti Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu boss. Me say from UP. Ebe pem sabre ni academic credentials. MPP ni bi eni hwa ya wo no obi. MPP ni bi eni hwa ya wo na wo so akọ school chairman mi. Wo so anim ote na adwuma ase. Me se mu misa Kwabena say Adam Kwana Vincent as a form na benya position. E wo man ni na ono de bia wo say me board chairman. honorable board chairman. Ude just a board in the woman. I on board and as a board man. Eti papa. Who to me and pitch the female MPs, you know. Because senator role is only mude. Sa game na who play not tiasie. Ya mame enter so honorable so go so ho. Woman you know mude. Nya na wo be kire so so obi nya wei. Una be so obi amamu. Na ka de no timi hihye ni yanka dwirigu ye. Yey, kwamena utimi hihye MPP amamu no. E hye se ese we na ba ansa no we aba enka dwirigu ye. Enam Congress kwa mo komuni kufo na kufa do oku. Crisis na tiasi ayimu no. Eti leave Mami Grace alone and leave NDC in Parliament. National Association Party. Sa and kikamu yang form my. And then I say, I know you're majority group leader. And as a spiritually, you know, one person be minority leader. And I'll be a micro minority leader. Ninyamiti mi yano no. Eti boss. Kawano pado. Kawano tum. Isan say. Eye ken kwa eka. Wushaya ECG for burogu honomen koko yano yoko. Sankofo we mama mrana ya dwuma mo sukran ka bana hwene ene o se wuntumi ada wuntumi pa ma Accra eso wuntumi ti Accra o wa ma Blekumanov but what Accra etibu start chichi wo nyina sankrofo no kwa mna panyoma kise bana ka yokwa peke no adentia mo budget eye 935 million utimi koto niema 8.3 billion na ko be chirechirem as a board chair because woman no the highest decision making body our ECG one the ECG management etimi ko procurement board no enya we e de kwamena janki kamu no na say aduane afo ama 7 krama nya bidi.
Because the court is not interested. I don't take short, I take madness.
The court is not interested. And the court will delay. And that is the stand of corruption. And then Yama, of course, what God had to say, Ghana at this side.
I don't take short, I take madness. I don't take short.
And I wait there. About where the Omunyashi. And I find you could say, ha! Sammy. And I can be what the brave what God had and what to me says that it should be. Now, could be the dear Pierre Kratabubia. Sandy Pakro will rot in jail. No matter what. If I only did that by it.
Sure.
Because the dead will not solve the issue.
Sure.
The Pakro will Wieska.
Sure.
And I'm no say. Let me tell you the bitter truth, yeah? Atta is doing so well, eh? Atta, oh yeah, Yoko, boss, CID boss was a Yoko boss was a day. Menoka say, happy before the one of Wieska Gadas Ganino, Omokwa, oh, Minyo be man, Sana Calipepa. Now, Wako Atta Hodomo.
Sure.
Ramon.
Sure.
The idea, my hair babomidi.
Told her.
Scándal se be farming sassy.
Told her.
Scándal, Kakredi,
told her.
Ode jiwefa to ho.
Told her.
Na ekwofo twetwe Scándal bio.
Sure.
Ekwofo enam akire wona akromfo da nom wa MPP aba mu no agusu twetwe Scándal bi just to limit the number of arrests. Ekwaba so e wo Ghana had mu say. So people are still paying. Ni yeti krom ha. Ni yeso sa asebru we so. Se mini yoko boss me fa ho no problem. What be Scándal bi? No problem. Uti ya na be chew. Because agin ene yes na wo trimu also de bon kro no. Se sa adwe no ewo mu a yese eyadwempone ye betumi ache watu. And it is come kind of say they are so conform so because they are still negotiating behind the scene, and the court is also delaying every single criminal charges against individuals. They are changing their question December 24, December 15, next year. No court need delay the entire process. I don't take short. I don't take far. Not that some single individuals who have committed no crime or whatever it is. Let's talk for what is our prison and see. Dr. Mudemua, in my hands, Operation Recover All Loots. Now will be a name boy who's up for him. Led by Okudeta Blakwa, COP Kofi Boakye, lawyer Martin Pemu, and the likes. Say, Ghana had to say, a Kronoa Dosso. It's a member bo Ghana, you see Kasem who by near Bogana home bra. Near Sab Bogana home, a Bansoswaka, whoever you see Kasem home. It will be a when we are buying Japadia. When we are Ghana Sika, now I'm a Ghana answer the the Sadi Papono. Never Bonnet, no one in Trimno, Adane, Atentero, and Janetro. Not at the one Janetoa, yet not for Jasso, near her say, a mess on the two and a sense on the two. Yet the side, started to say, I'm going for me. And yet, to say, conforming the lives of Asokon for Masoko Juma. Our no car, you turn over 100,000 Ghana cedis. I don't know. Ghana board Genesis cars or something like that. Asokon for turn over 4,000 Ghana cedis. What I say? Masoko Juma turn over 4,000 Ghana cedis. Me no can say Asante Bediatuo our courts. On him, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The biggest issue in Ghana has to do with the judiciary and how justice is being delayed and denied. Oh yes, yes, Assembly of Court. We are aware. But how long? And as Assembly of Court. In most cases, in most sensitive cases, you share the magnitude of the case, you share the extent, and of course, the way Assembly MSC did them now. Now, I buy and influence kakra because I buy and a producer, and as I buy the appointed the judicial head, the Chief Justice. I buy and I appointed the police council, and the prosecutor. I buy and I appointed Attorney General. No, we jamu and the man who patent. It is so in most situations and in most instances. So you say, Assembly Kwaku Asembia, you go cast Assembly not entering in Famra. And I'm saying parties. Let me come behind the scene and negotiating tea. But I'm not some no, not with trade. Not that for that day. Not a sudden Pediasa. You don't be outside the media for us. You acquire the Asamba chief. I want to force a near acquire by a chief. Not a some Nasameka. Asianka. As a Bedi. Not judge in his own discretion or by the law. In his own discretion, so one can pay. And now I said you use Zoom now. God, now what share something they are quite new. Now some as a concourse, they may see yet. As a some you may see any. Sire and the son 4 years abba. Now a cock or trouble fufro. Now a bay. I'll be down one catches. Oh, me Kwaku not come tomorrow. But because of court in 70, but we all know, so behind the scene, you people negotiate.
God have mercy upon us.
I remember one typical example. About the signs and the year and another darko Akufo Addo. I take question here to Chitumu. And then not some year. Just find out.
I don't take madness.
Okay, question here to according to Friday saying, here and another darko Akufo Addo. For whatever reason, best known to him, Tama announced exposé the buyer. Quickly, he ordered for the arrest of Kweku Annan. DNT, and until now, Yenyahu, Asama, DNT, I
don't take madness. I don't take far.
Yeah.
I don't take so far, minute.
Yeah, but Kweku Annan, Demu, I'm a captain, Nakasa, and then fear documents. What was that, Captain Smart? Or didn't fear documents? And then the Kokosia what? And the Koko Peli, Kweku Annan. DNT, and from that time till now, Yenyahu DNT, His Excellency the former president, Nana Akufo Addo, Kweku Annan tumu. I have police case ana.
Mayana manye. Someone I
have police case ana. So what it has to do with government official and now politically exposed people there, you will quiet, you defer so. I say, I did the defender. I say, you be ask ye, I say, I say, oh, yeah, man, the time can crack. Yeah, because we have a political reason and agenda behind whatever we are doing. But hey, your political agenda is not bigger than Ghana. Yeah. Your political agenda is so a chain of my control Ghana. It's a something man. Oh, I said the court, I said the court. A tempted near the court. But an ordinary Ghanaian like Nash. An ordinary Ghanaian like me. Please reach him or quiet home. Crossing traffic. I say, we processing with the work of court. I put your pass, one patch out, and Pescama police, no, and that's or no court, I did do the tomb.
They are sick people.
Yay! Now let's let him
people.
Sammy and Nash. Ekutaka, DV. No, sir. Or from an Bruce, I say it is against the regulations of GVL or whatever. No one can go to say, it's ambassador. Somebody has told me to say, what from Umra? The Samra, what from no? Yeah, processor, Santa, no police, no, sir. The wound, sorry. No, I started no church. So what can I tell? No one please come here for a Sunday bottom. I'm an Akuma Tony Yemu and Jawa. I didn't say, yeah, the won't court. You don't court to pay. Not that, you know, at your service, so the magnitude of this case. Are you guilty or not guilty? Nobody can be out. Would you find out the beam? The moment you say, yes, would the beam? That's okay, so the beam, the end, you found Coco to a back. Now, check a crack. Yeah. Shemuni Vienna and pass all the Bimani Jao. So you do so only for the swag. You found Coco to a back kakra. Now your mouth dates. And to one share and summer and who here and a Ghana, I just before them be no eggy. Mebois. Tell me, I can't make us a mebois. Tell me. You never say some so. Summer and who is here and the judges, the judiciary, and what's that some so and this answer. But in summer who's here, about Ghana, like the 25 million. Ghana cities, your friends are Sika. You see, they call it banking sector cleanup. Look at the Furata that's in Namho. You get it? Look at a whopping amount of 25 million Ghana cities. You see, they call it banking sector cleanup. Me Meanwhile, not bank can also hear less than that money. You hear less than that amount of money. Near their someone as I'm yet to know Pejawa. Can afford us on TV that? Shaya go back for no. Emma that day, on the Kofi Moabin, UT Bank, so bois, Mr. Bois. TNA. Or Kofi on the Nigerian, is it the Nigerian governor of the Bank of Nigeria or something? Obia delegation on the fee. On one can afford us now, the quiet Diane. Kitchen, akoye aduane ma wo di ye etu o table ka che so oh ye de ye de asade asante be ya nka mo na oh go fi am dem asa dabi ho de mitimi ne na apa aba kedo frata kotu bible ene mo e convince mo die
onimi ya dia ye careful mitimi mo de ba
ade chi yo mo na kwa so mo back to omo fie a the question you say, what do you mean? Yeah, careful. Banking sector reforms, no. You question now say bank no, you good. For God knows whatever reason, best not to Ken Ofori Atta and another Akufo Addo. Same way, and that's so hanging on more. You can't watch them. But it'll be also traffic light. Crossing just a normal traffic light. You say you're processing the NAPO court. I'm in the Pakodo or the Arrést, Sisia. Does this make sense? Yes, I was having the way I make him. Yes, I will.
Bibini grab it, do we ask?
See, Adia, yes, Suma won, Adia, Adia, young Suma, yes, on warrior. You get it? It's the who here no. The judiciary will not pay attention to it because they are being influenced by the same old politicians, the same old tactics. And I didn't know. And you form a cartel. So if you are not part of the cartel, of course, you don't UAPA. We are used to as an scapegoat. How can you tell me, say? Bibini traffic lights. What's your offense? But I said, granted that your offense. And if you are not police in the court, now, watch out because of Pesca, the one man is Scándal penna.
What do you mean? Yeah,
the work of court. And penny and pardon and not the work of court, or the local magistrate court, or trying to say, circuit court or tribunal court or whatever court, so be it. Now, Judge, no sure. Okay, so this is an offense, case number 2002/4, an offense between the Republic of Ghana versus JB EOCO. Now, now the security, the Lord. The gentleman you see here violated the Road Safety Act, whatever session, whatever. Now judge, you know, actually special that because we was on TV so can't go asem the channel. Oh, can you asem and the channel? Asem I walk and I asem the channel. But I just so on tie. Or show him sa no what church not in the naba no and the sis no I catch you say hey. Odi for anase odi bem. Obja bisa sa question for what here na be ma kra jojo. And onya bisa sa asem na che say o kwa chebua na anu no.
Manu asima ye kuni.
What you job one time.
Manu asima ye kuni. Hey.
Now we na so to me here no we are. Per the answer the baba no catch you say okay. Say what you odi bem a. Mo fa ne kwa to afiase. Na what you mean, me and Saddam so far them ra. Near the court is quick to judge issues like that, but the court is not quick to judge issues that has to do with criminality by public and political officials. Yeah, quite him there. Court and say, are interested in attending. So at a point in time, now attending, quite doubtful, kakra. Oko quarter, based on the party in power, buy your war to me, over Kwani, dear Sammy, the Amano, buy your position, and that's conform more position. You saw the 1 7 year, the okay as a same cry, so Kakwasem. Nti asem na da kra na ebebu atia o. Na kesi dan na Afenyo Markin. Muti asem ni yo. Muti asem hunu akoso wo krom ha no mu say ya. Ene court ne te wono mu judicial ne te wono mu say omo so dan. Today I'm revisiting this issue because ene Ghana for ekwakotua ebua enye usual. Now you better find what the board kakra. Even though Andrew abida than the no. But me and Kabeme Kwa because me chika perform to the 6 cities and I pay. Yay. But then not because of a nyama akoso. Any car ya bo and they go on munti. Me innocent person, not innocent person. GH boy, any prof, no one will have me now. We are all innocent of this useless crime. I'm on your focus here. But what is here? Me no me here. Me boy.
Bibini, oh.
And the court is not in a hurry. The judiciary is not in a rush. Sir, some way, you better tell me what now say your patent and your Ghana for. Near was a no, Kwabena anyway. Kweku Annan di Ghana ska abo Ghana kronunti. Yati Kweku Annan ntum. Ana Ken Ofori Atta abo Ghana kronunti. Yati Ken Ofori Atta ntum. Na nadu da Akufo Addo. Yes, certain commission of inquiries. Yes, me to no misa say na e ba de say. And that's so called National Cathedral. Spending Ghana for $58 million so say Ghana cedis. And the Koko to a very romantic hole. Tokura who na fufu. A fufu black, a fufu yellow, a fufu green. Now what this hard day where they Ghana for say, I'm boy ye so because to hell with Ghanaians. That is what we are talking about. We cannot just be jumping around. We cannot just be hopping around. Say all the names say, yeah, man, you're 70. Let me agree and yajuma. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, then candidate Mahama. I can't say Ghana and you ask for in answer or na Boakye Agyarko na Nabi or Bettina to Meboa. Yay. Now let me get back to the same issue.
And Boakye Torkonuu the third. And Boakye
Special prosecutor Kennedy Agyapong. Are you telling us Ghana Forson barely buy a Bosumi Bakuni and then a chair? When the mayor said 12 for share move, I catch a Ghana for you now said, oh, pressure Ken Ofori Atta, na baby Hashem Yanimra because when the Interpol Nasu for you now, and the Tatano. Are you telling me that only the Ken Ofori Atta? I die. Ghana need you. Yay. I die. Are you telling us? Say you don't know the whereabouts of Ken Ofori Atta? Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. Are you telling us to say you do not know the whereabouts of Ken Ofori Atta? Ken Ofori Atta. And you did that for the cameras. And now, oh yes, sir, the chair I said there's a certain office called Special Prosecutor's Office. Just say, oh yeah, my Ghana for who was so fast. From the days of Martin Amidu. Martin Lamisi Amidu. Oh, I don't know. I take special prosecutor, and then the two are no. I don't know that Akufo Addo say or share own goals. Why don't Harry Maguire? Now I know by ever accusing another say or you're the mother serpent of all corruption. Say you can't achieve more when you're confrontation more. Me boy. I'm a country Ghana for you now say. And never a question no. Why don't clearing agents? It is on why says a conforming no co as a national GH boy co. When you're not in the Nash, I hear better about GH boy. When now you're a Patania boy and it's a Nash, giant Torkonuu boy and not Nasu. What I said, that's your bottom. It has another Akufo Addo under his tenure. No, I don't say, oh, I did not claim in a match. Now, what is this now? Oh, special protocol from Kojo. Oh, yes, or tin now, but no, so what any chance. Oh, Jano, where the or Kokano Kukuam, na bonti do obeka to so emra no emra enu bedi
and abwachi Tromu the third
Lamisi abufuye eja na juma to ho no mo till now tell me why akrumabampo eni ho no mo a special prosecutor a prosecutor no na kwakọ friend said emrananim amamrano edino am your prosecutor and say achenatum from that time till now. Why and the acheno?
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. But don't forget to share the video to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.